Hello guys, I'm hanging out in my computer room, and there's been weird stuff happening. So I was in my room yesterday, and then I appeared here, and then to my brother's room, and then to the bathroom, and then to the living room, and then to the front porch, and then to the kitchen, and then to the garage, and then to the backyard. So it is raining today, so I hope I don't appear in the backyard. So here we go. I'm going to prove it to you guys. So, this is what we're going to do. And go. So get over here and get the mouse. Ah! Oh. Ow, that hurt. Oh. Ow. Oh. Okay. Huh. What just happened? I'm not kidding right now. What in the world just happened? Did I seriously just appear in my bedroom? Open the door and see what happened out there. The hallway where there's only doors, there's no doors there. And it's a short hallway now. What? Why? Okay. This can't be happening. Oh no. I feel tingly. Ah! Oh. I appeared in my brother's bedroom now. Oh, by the way, that's my brother Nate. Say hi. Oh. Oh, I feel tingly again. Ah! Are you seriously joking right now? In my bathroom? Are you kidding me? Oh, life. What? Again, in my living room. I do not identify. Are you seriously kidding me right now? In my front porch. In my kitchen. I feel tingly again. Really? In my mom's bedroom? Wait a minute. How come that happens every time I appear? I feel tingly. In my mom's bathroom? No. And nope. Well, that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, make sure to give me 10,000 likes, and I'll make another video at night to prove to you 3 a.m. is not scary. All right. Bye.